The MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR is more than a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece of Italian engineering and artistry. Designed with a perfect balance of raw aggression and refined elegance, it redefines what a naked superbike can be. Every angle, from its sculpted fuel tank to the aerodynamic winglets, reflects a pursuit of perfection. This machine isn't just built to ride, it's built to inspire awe, both on the road and in the heart of its rider. At the core of the Brutale 1000RR lies a 998cc inline-4 engine derived from MV Agusta's racing pedigree. Delivering over 200 horsepower, it embodies relentless performance with thrilling precision. Equipped with titanium connecting rods, advanced electronics, and cutting-edge counter-rotating crankshaft technology, the Brutale transforms power into an exhilarating yet controlled riding experience. Speed meets sophistication, ensuring every ride is unforgettable. The Brutale 1000RR also sets benchmarks in handling and stability. Its lightweight chassis, Helin's electronic suspension, and Brembo's Stima brakes offer unmatched confidence on corners and straights alike. The integration of ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and customizable riding modes ensures adaptability for every road condition. Whether carving through city streets or dominating the track, control remains intuitive and uncompromised. Beyond sheer performance, the Brutale 1000RR is a symbol of exclusivity. Crafted with premium materials, carbon fiber components, and meticulous attention to detail, it elevates motorcycle design to an art form. Riding this machine is more than transportation, it's an expression of passion, individuality, and prestige. The MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR isn't just a superbike, it's the ultimate statement of power and beauty combined.